Cable secure on the port side. All clear. Deploying the winch now.
Increasing power to the secondary winch now. We need to stabilize the load immediately.
How are we looking on depth?
We did it! Well done, team.
Bring it down slow, watch the starboard wing.
Steady as she goes, contact in 5.
Confirm contact, you are good to disconnect.
Escorted by state police, the legendary Tomcat navigates the highway, a symbol of transition and return.
Hold position on the starboard side, we have clearance within 2 inches. Keep it steady, team.
The structural integrity around the forward fuselage is compromised. We need a full ultrasonic scan.
Agreed. The corrosion here is worse than the initial survey suggested.
The stress fractures here match the 1970 schematic.
But the alloy composition changed in '78. The hologram highlights that section in red.
Hey team, this section here needs a full replacement. Use the red tags. The starboard stabilizer just needs repair.
We need to prioritize the wing spar removal sequence here.
Agreed. The hydraulics in Section 4 require delicate handling during the separation. This panel alone reveals the sheer complexity of the wiring harness. Slow and steady now. Lift her clear.
This timeline is aggressive, but achievable. If we adhere strictly to this resource allocation chart,
Clear on the left side, bring it up 10 feet. Roger that, coming up slowly.
Jig alignment holding steady at point 4.
Copy that. Proceeding with hydraulic retraction on sequence 3.
All right, team, double check the color codes. We need a perfect map before the next phase. Ensure the hazmat containers are sealed and logged.
All right, easy now. Just a few more inches. Hold it right there. Looks good on this side, boss. Easy now, lower it another 2 inches. Secure clamp B4 first. We are approaching 75% torque.
Ensure the pressure line clears the actuator arm, and we need full articulation before we cycle the system. Bring it 5 centimeters to the left.
Confirmed. 5 centimeters left.
And easy forward.
Keep the ascent steady. Now track it slowly towards the fuselage. Stop right there. We need to align the connection points.
Check full travel on the ailerons. Now the elevators, cycle up and down. Finish with the rudder sweep, left to right.
Control, this is F-14, radio check, how copy?
Loud and clear, Viper, comms are green.
Ignition sequence complete. Idle RPM achieved. Tomcat 128, continue taxi to runway 27, wind 290 at 10.
Copy that, proceeding.